Hey everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix! And we're gonna draw a shark today.
That's right, today we're going to draw a shark. So let's get to it. What does a shark do? Okay, so the first step is we want to do sort of a mound here. I'll show you what to do. We do a line that goes around like this. Like that, sort of like a hill, I guess. The next step is we want to form his nose. So you want to come from here and go as far as you can down to there. So that's his big nose that he butts other sharks with. And then from here, we're going to do like a V. So we're going to up like that and then down like that. Now you want to make sure that this line here that comes down here will connect into there. So come down as far as you can, like that. The next step is we're going to do like a little fin here. So we're going to go 1, 2. So this is like a sideways V, I guess you could say.
Baby.
What was a baby V? And so our next step is we're going to follow this line here and then under there to there. Imagine this line going under the fin and you want to go all the way to there. Yep, beautiful. And now we're going to do his top fin up here. So we're going to go one line up like that and one line down like that. You can make this as big as you want. That's right. This is the. So this fin's on this side. So on the other side, he's going to have a fin. So if we do a small triangle just down here, or V, that makes that. Now let's do his tail. So we want to do one line up like that, as far as you want to go. And this one can be a bit smaller and then down like that. And then the key here to make his tail fin look powerful is we're going to go up to here slightly. And then we're going to like go on an angle up this way to meet his other fin. And it doesn't matter if you don't meet the fin because you can connect it up later like that. So like that, see? Ooh, very good, Phoenix. What does the shark need to do next? He needs to see, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So we need to draw an eye. So you can draw a circle here, big or small, it doesn't matter how. And then you want to do a smaller circle in here. Now in other videos, we normally do highlights. We normally color this in, but this time we're coloring in the eye this time because with sharks, they have lots of white around their eyes.
Yes, yeah.
Makes them look a bit more cooler as well. Now our next step is we want to draw a line on here to make him a little bit more angrier. And with this line, come up like that and connect the line at the top. And then you want to color in that top line there too. Cool.
Yeah.
Now, what does he breathe with? He's got gills on the side. So we're going to do 3 curves. One curve, a bigger curve, and sort of a semi-middle curve. So that's his gills, and do you think he's finished?
No.
What does he need?
Teeth.
He needs his chomping teeth. He's a shark. So we're going to do small triangles within this line. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're kind of like W's that connect up to each other.
I done that.
Oh, you're done. Oh, look at those crazy teeth. And it doesn't matter how many teeth, triangles, W's you put in here, it's up to you. You can put big teeth or small teeth. It's really entirely up to you. I like your shark fin. It's cool. I like how many teeth you fit in there. That's awesome. So what is our next step?
Color in.
Color in. Okay, there we go, guys. We colored in. We colored in our shark. Now, Phoenix, what's going on here down the bottom? I like what you've done.
Some colors, a face that Mr. Shark can't see.
Yep.
And Mr. Blob, who's gonna look at the shark.
Mr. Blob, who's Mr. Blob?
Right there.
Oh, so this is coral, this is a fish, and this is all the seaweed.
Yeah, and that's Mr. Blob.
Mr. Blob. I like how you've added in all this motion, so it's like makes it look like he's going fast. Isn't that cool? I like that.
Even he's gonna go fast.
He looks fast. Yeah, they look fast. That's awesome.
He's gonna zoom fast, and he's just gonna zoom.
Ooh. So remember at home, guys, if you can color in whatever color you want the shark to be, and you can add like the seabed with some seaweed and crabs and fish and whatever you like Phoenix has done. I've done the same thing, added some seaweed and stuff, and I've got some bubbles coming out of the surface. So anyway, guys, that was it. How fun was that?
Yeah.
Okay, what can the guys at home do?
pause the video and subscribe.
That's right, at home you can pause the video, so if you're falling behind you can catch up. And yeah, you can subscribe too. Please subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with all the other cool videos that we're going to have coming out.
Yeah.
So my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And we are having fun making art. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
And this is
Phoenix.
Phoenix.
We're
Oh,
gonna
hang on.
do
Try again.